Hello again, Year 6. So today we're going to continue looking at adding equal groups. Okay, so you did really well yesterday. We're going to look at more challenging questions today. So first of all, just to remind ourselves, can you complete this question? So there are something equal groups with something in each group. Something add something add something equals something. So you've got your drawing here to help you. Pause the video and have a go. Let's have a look at the answers then. So there are 3 equal groups with 10 in each group. 10 add 10 add 10 equals 30. Well done if you got that one correct. Well, let's move on. Have a go at this one. So you've got your picture. I want you to draw it, say it and add it. Pause the video and have a go. Let's have a look at the answer then. So if we draw it, we've got 3 equal groups and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in each group. If we say it, there are 3 groups of 6 or there are 3 sixes. And if we add it, we've got 6 add 6 add 6, which is 18. Well done if you got that one correct. Okay, well, let's have a look at this one now. So we're coming to the more tricky questions. So look at Laura's groups. She wrote a calculation to find the total of her groups. So she's done 5 add 5 add 5 add 5 add 5, which is 25. Do you agree with Laura's calculation? Explain your answer. How could you represent Laura's calculation? Okay, so let's break it down a little bit. So first of all, let's look at our groups. How many groups have we got? So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we've got 5 groups. And how many have we got in each group? So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we've got 5 tens. Okay? Or 5 grouped with 10 in each group. So now then, how I would do this, I would work out the calculation first to find out the total, and then we can have a look at where she's gone wrong. Okay? So 5 tens is what she's got. But she's written down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. She's written down 5 fives. So pause the video, tell me whether you agree with her calculation, and see if you can explain to me why you don't agree with it if you don't agree with it, or why you do agree with it if you do agree with it. And then look at my working out here to see if you can show how you could represent Laura's calculation. Pause the video and have a go. Okay, let's have a look at the answers then. So, I disagree with Laura's calculation because she has 5 groups of 10, okay, which we've already worked out. She has misunderstood and thought she had groups of 5, okay? So instead of saying groups of 10, she said groups of 5 because she's seen that she's got 5 groups. So she should represent her calculation like this. So instead of 5 add 5 add 5 add 5 add 5, she should do 10 add 10 add 10 add 10 add 10, which is 50. Okay, if you've drawn it as well, that's absolutely fine. Well done. Let's have a look at this one. So, true or false? 5 add 5 is equal to or the same as 2 add 2 add 2 add 2 add 2. Draw an image or use cubes to help you explain your answer. Okay, so we're wanting to know whether 5 add 5 has the same answer as 2 add 2 add 2 add 2 add 2. Okay, so use this to help you. So I've drawn and represented 5 add 5. So I've got 2 groups of 5. And then I've represented 2 add 2 add 2 add 2 add 2 because I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups of 2. Okay? See if you can explain why that is true or false. Pause the video and have a go. let's have a look at the answer then. So, equals means equal groups. So this means that if 5 add 5 has the same answer as 2 add 2 add 2 add 2 add 2. So if we add the totals together, we can see that 5 add 5 is 10. Okay, so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and we can also see that 2 add 2 add 2 add 2 add 2 also equals 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so because it equals 10, it is true. Well done if you got that correct. Have a look at this one. Which one does not belong? What do we need to change to make them all represent the same? So if we have a look, we've got two groups of 5 here, two fives, 5 add 5, 5 add 5 which is 10, 10, and we've got three groups of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. So which one does not belong? So if I was you, I would do your draw it, add it, say it, because that will help you to work out which is the odd one out. So draw, add, say, to work out which is the odd one out. Pause the video and see which ones of these you appear in your draw it, add it, say it, and the one that doesn't is your odd one out. Pause the video and have a go. Let's have a look at the answer then. So, 3 fives is the odd one out because all of the others have a total of 10. Okay, 5 add 5 is 10, 2 fives is 10, 2 fives is 10, 10. This one has a total of 15 because it's 3 fives, not 2 fives. So in order to make them all represent the same, we just need to get rid of one of our lots of 5. So we've still got 2 lots of 5 there. Well done if you got that one correct. Okay, so for the following questions, we need to solve the problem and write a repeated addition for each one. Okay? So repeated addition is where you do your something, add something, add something, add something. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw it. So I've got 3 cats, so I need 3 groups. And in those 3 cats, I need to see how many legs they all have. So cat 1 has 1, 2, 3, 4 legs. Cat 2 has 1, 2, 3, 4 legs. And cat 3 has 1, 2, 3, 4 legs. Okay, so I have got 3 groups of 4 or 3 fours. So that means I need to do 3 additions because I've got 3 groups. Okay, and in my additions I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's what's called a repeated addition. Then if I work that out, 4 add 4 add 4 is 12. Okay, so how many legs do 3 cats have? They have 12. So cats have 4 legs. There are 3 cats. There are 3 groups of 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3 groups of 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 add 4 add 4 is 12. Okay, so for these problems, the first thing I need you to do is draw it to represent it. And then you can do your repeated addition then from that. Okay, have a go at these. So you don't need to do this one because we've just done it together. But I want to know how many ears 4 rabbits have, how many legs 2 spiders have, and how many spots 3 ladybirds have. So pause the video and have a go, making sure that you do your repeated addition calculation after you've drawn it. Okay, let's have a look at the answers then. So, rabbits then. We've got 4 groups of 2. So 2 add 2 add 2 add 2 is 8. Spiders, we've got 2 groups of 6 because each spider's got 6 legs. So 6 add 6 is 12. And ladybirds, we've got 3 groups because we've got 3 ladybirds. And we've got 3 groups of 6 because they've each got 6 spots. So 6 add 6 add 6 is 18. Well done if you got those ones correct because that was really tricky at year 6. I'll speak to you again soon.